Yeah, hello, welcome back to my YouTube channel. And in this video tutorial today, we are going to be talking about some free play to earn games that you can make money from without having to invest any single dime into it, right? Yeah, as we all know, the crypto market is currently down and a lot of things have been happening. A lot of people lost their money in the lunar crash and all of that. And so, with the unstableness of the market, people are looking for where to make money from, because for me, I believe crypto is not just all about trading and investing. There are a whole lot of other things you can do in the crypto ecosystem, in the blockchain to make money. You can work there, you can, do freelancing jobs, you can play games, and you can do a whole lot of other things there and make money. The most important thing is that you are earning from the crypto space, right? So in today's video, we are going to be touching on what we call the play to earn games, especially the free play to earn games. So if you are new to my channel, you're highly welcomed, and also do well to hit the subscribe button so that you get to watch more of my videos and enjoy the things that we talk about on this channel. As we all know, if you're new to my channel, the brand just recently changed to Cafe Crypto. You're highly welcomed, and also do also subscribe to watch more of our videos relating to NFTs, play to earn games, the crypto jobs, and a whole lot of things about the crypto space. So like I said, we are going to be discussing on the free play to earn games, and the first one on our list today is Coinhunt World. So you can see from my screen here, Coinhunt World is a play to earn game that you can easily download on your app store or your play store. What you just need to do is go to YouTube, search for how to play Coin Hunt on your mobile phone. You're going to see a lot of videos that have explained every single process for you, right? But then what I'm here for today is just to bring to your notice these coins, these particular games that you can play free of charge to make money. I'm not here to teach you how to play the games, but then I'm here to just show you these games so that you can go ahead and make more research about them, learn how to play them, and make money playing these games. So this Coin Hunt World is part of these games. You can take a look at their website if you want to really know more about it, but then it's more mobile friendly, so you need to head over to your play store or your app store to download this app and start making your money from the comfort of your home. And the next one we have on our list is Splinter Lance, right? So you can take a look. You can either create your account on the mobile or you can download it on Play Store, but then this is more mobile web friendly. You can still play it on mobile. So all you just need to do is go to YouTube, search for how to play Splinter Land game. Let's make a simple research here now. So you can see how to play Splinter Lands. This is it. You can see that we have a whole lot of videos, beginner's guide. All you just need to do is to come to your YouTube, go to your YouTube, make your research, watch videos to change how you can play these games, and you are good to go, right? Yeah, so that is it. And here we have Stepn game. I have a friend who makes almost $50 every 3 days playing this particular game. Yes, you can download it on your Play Store, on your app store. I don't know if it's on app store, but I'm very certain it is on Play Store, right? So you can download it. If you're using iPhone or iOS phones, you can check on the Apple Store to see if it's there, right? So that is it. Okay, let's say I think yeah, it's on Apple Store and it's also on Play Store. So that's it. You can learn more about this game, start playing this game and making lots of money, doing little tasks and earning some also NFTs that you can sell and make money from. You can earn these shoes as NFTs, playing these games and lots more. right? And the next thing we'll have on our list here is chain monsters. So you can say welcome to chain monsters, the free to play monster taming with a fully player driven economy. So it's a player driven economy where players get rewarded for whatever goal they attain in the course of the game, right? Yeah, so that is it. There is not really much thing to talk about this game. All you need to do is, I've already told you that this game is free of charge to play. All you just need to do is to create accounts with them and start up the whole process. It won't take you more than 1 week to learn how to play this game, and before you know what's happening, you start making money from them. And the last but not the least is the feed the gun land. Right here you can see these are in form of robots. You can learn how to play the game like I said. So on YouTube you can read more about them, the return on investment, how to buy and all of that. So that is just it. Now let me tell you something, let me remind you of something. This free play to earn games, in as much as they are free to play, right? In as much as they are free to play, always bear in mind that you won't make as much as people who pay to play these games, right? Yeah, so your aim, your goal whenever you are playing any free play to earn game is to make as much money as you can from the game so that you can upgrade, right? Because I believe nobody wants to be a mid-level player, right? Everybody wants to make more money and live comfortably, well. So for that reason, any game, any free play to earn game that you are playing and you are making cool cash from it, your major goal should be to save up and invest fully in that game in order to make more money, right? I've brought this information to you. I'm not going to force it on you, but then it's you that will determine if you are going to, go ahead and use this particular um information that I have given to you. So I believe you got value from this video. If you did, let me know in the comment section. And also, if there is anything you want me to teach about on this channel, just let me know. And also from next week, I'm going to start um giving shout out to people who drop comments on each of the videos. I'm going to start giving shout out to them. And if I give shout out to you, if you're someone who have a channel, you can easily get more subscribers, or even I can help you advertise your business as long as I see your comments actively on the on my YouTube comment section, right? So do well to hit the subscribe button. And also, if you have some crypto services that you want us to render for you, ranging from creating content for your crypto blog, managing your YouTube channel, right, and a whole lot of other things, managing your social media channels and all of that, just do well to hit us up via mail, and we will deliver a very quality service for you. Thank you very much for watching. See you on our next video. Bye.